What's going on, guys? My name is Kern from kcvirtual.com, and today I'm reviewing a new product called WordPress RSS Xtreme. Now, this product is a WordPress plugin, okay? You could access it from your WordPress dashboard, and it's very simple to use. As soon as I go over a few details, I'll be showing you guys a short 7-minute demo on how to use the actual product step by step. It's very simple to use, okay? It's very simple and newbie friendly, okay? So don't worry about any kind of technicalities. And with this WordPress plugin, you'll be able to piggyback on influencers, all right? People that are ranking on the top of Google, people that are ranking on top of YouTube, right, with their authority websites and their authority channels. You'll be able to align your content with theirs, and you're going to be forcing Google to notice you and notice your content and your website a lot more, which is going to push your website and your YouTube videos, whichever it is, much more higher on the search engine. Okay, so when somebody types in something relevant to a relevant keyword, depending on your industry, your site is going to be shown up in the first few searches. Okay, and that's very valuable, especially for somebody who's just starting or has already been in the industry for a long and has a little trouble ranking his or her websites. Okay, this is going to take away all of that manual and a lot of that difficult technicalities away from you and do it for you guys. Okay, and I have all the price and upsells. I have all the information here for you guys. So we'll discuss this right after the demo. But just before we get to the actual demo, I want to go over some bonuses that I made for you guys, and I'll be giving you guys as soon as you just purchase the front end. Okay, if you guys want to purchase any of the upsells, that's on you. I'll be going over what they are in detail, but all you need to access my bonuses is just to purchase the actual product, just the front end, and the price ranges from $10 to $20. So let's just get right to the bonuses that I created for you guys. The first bonus I got for you guys is access to 500 Facebook groups. So I did a lot of research and I made an Excel spreadsheet on these 500 Facebook groups. I have their names and a link to the actual Facebook group, and very simple to join. And what's key, what's very important about these groups is that these 500 groups allow self-promotion. So you'll be able to promote your actual website that you're using this plugin for. Okay, a lot of Facebook groups, they provide good value, but you're not allowed to post anything that's self-promoting. Okay, otherwise you'll get removed. uh, the cool thing about this is you don't have to worry about getting removed, and you'll be getting a lot of visitors from these 500 Facebook groups. And these groups vary in topics like e-commerce, digital marketing, blogging, and anything related in that online money making niche. Now, the second bonus, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Facebook to grow a buyer's list. So you don't have to worry about spending any kind of money. As long as you have a Facebook account, you'll be able to make a buyer's list. It's very simple. It's a very simple process, and not a lot of people know how to do it correctly. I say correctly because a lot of people mention a certain tactic that is apparently against Facebook's terms and services. So you're in that, you have that danger of getting your account banned. But with the method I'm going to be using, you don't have to worry about that. It's completely okay. You're not going to be in Facebook's radar. You don't have to be worried that your account is going to get banned. This is your business, guys, okay? So don't be doing any kind of funny stuff like that. But this is a cool way because these people that you're going to be putting into your buyers list are proven buyers instead of somebody that just gave you an email for a free PDF or a free product. Not saying emails are bad. Emails are a terrific way to you have income, but if you don't want to use that money to have an email autoresponder or anything of the sort, this is a completely free way to get proven buyer lists. Okay, and I made these two bonuses by myself, so you're not going to be getting this anywhere else. Okay, I have three more bonuses for you guys, and these are three various courses that correlate with one another and with the actual topic of blogging and increasing your rank and your conversions. So this third bonus is called Killer Blogging Conversion Tips. You're pretty much going to be learning some tips to increase the amount of conversions you have on any kind of affiliate products that you have on your blog currently or you plan on having in the future. Now this fourth bonus that I got for you guys, it's called High Profit Vlog Secrets, and it correlates with the third one, the third bonus, and it's just going to give you more of an in-depth, more tips on how to optimize your blog or website for more profits for you. Now this last bonus is called How to Brand Yourself Online. Now this is an in-depth uh, guide. It's a short course that it's going to teach you tips and tricks on how to brand yourself correctly. Now, when you're going to be using this WordPress RSS Xtreme plugin, you're going to be ranking much more quickly. Okay, you're going to be on Google's first few searches. You're going to be right there when people are searching for any kind of topic related to your niche, right? And it's so essential for you to brand yourself so you can build that authority for yourself, all right? And when you have that authority, people are going to want to stay on your site once they click in, right? There's no point of having your rank so high if you don't have that authority to actually compel people to actually stay on a website. Ranking is just one factor. Ranking and then having people stay on the website is two things that work in conjunction with one another so that you can get profits. Okay, now this is your business. Branding yourself is definitely a key component. And with that, guys, let's just head right to the actual demo. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress RSS Xtreme plugin. Now this is a very unique SEO approach for WordPress and it works really well on multiple levels because we are doing multiple things within the tool itself. Okay, so what we're actually doing is we're creating multiple RSS feeds from your WordPress site. Okay, we're doing it with posts to create RSS feeds from every single post that you've got in your site. We're doing it with categories as well. We take the RSS feed for your WordPress category and we do it for the domain level as well for your RSS feeds. Now the beauty of this as well is that we can mash in with some authority sites or some relevant sites within your niche. We can even do it with YouTube channels as well, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a second. Okay, and what we do is we mash this into one URL, and then what we can do is we can post this into FeedBurner and it's going to create a page with all that different content from all of those different RSS feeds mashed into one URL. Okay, from there we can do some indexing, we can do some pinging, we can do some additional syndication by posting all of those links into a Google Doc as well, which you can make public, and this helps to get your websites and your content indexed very quickly as well. Now on top of that, we're going to add some additional bits and pieces before we actually get to the launch on Monday or Tuesday, where we can ping some sitemaps and stuff like that as well. So that will be pretty cool, and that will give us really fast indexing. It will build relevancy. We can piggyback on the authority of other sites within your niche, and at the same time we're doing something very unique with WordPress SEO that just helps you to build authority, and all of this can be done with just a simple 1-minute wizard that we have created. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. You can see in here, if I go over to categories, I've got some categories here with thousands of posts. Okay, and so I want to take this category and I want to mash it up via individual RSS feeds for the posts and for the category and for the domain, so that we can do the syndication for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of these, and you can see this one here. This will be quicker for the point of doing the video. This one here for internal links, I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so what we will do is we'll come over to WP RSS X and I will click on generate a new feed, and we can choose in here the categories, and I'll choose the build backlinks or the internal links one. Okay, what I'm going to do for the title is I'm just going to use the same title as what the category name is. Okay, just give it a very brief description in here. And for the RSS link, what I'm going to do is just going to take my website URL here. Now if you've got a WordPress site, all you need to do is put / and feed at the end, And then what we can do here is we can mash it up with some authority sites. Now, just from top of my head, I will pick up a couple of SEO blogs, for example. So let's do https backlinko.com feed. Okay, now you can do this as well with YouTube RSS feeds. So if you want to go and find some YouTube channels within your niche that are very, very popular, that are ranking very well whenever they do some content, put it in here and it's just going to build that relevancy and it's going to align your content with theirs, okay? So that the Google algorithm, when it sees this content together, often within the RSS feeds, it can make that relation between your content and the authority site's content as well. So next step is I'm just going to click on the submit. Give it a second because it's mashing all those feeds up together from the post level, the category level, domain level, for your website, and plus any authority sites. Now that we have got this link here, we can basically copy this link address. Just right click on it, copy the address, and underneath you will see there's a link here to go to FeedBurner. So we click on that and it's going to open up the FeedBurner page. Now I can scroll down here and at the bottom down here we can burn the feed right this instant. Okay, I'm just going to put the feed URL in here and click on next. Okay, so this is asking you to give it a feed address and a feed title. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it the way it is here and I'll click on next one more time. Okay, now we can open this link here in a new window, and when we do that you can see that we have got all those different posts created inside the FeedBurner RSS feed. Okay, so what I can do now is I can take my FeedBurner URL, right click and copy, and come back over to WP RSS, and I'm going to paste that in here. Okay, and click on submit. Okay, so the RSS feed has successfully been generated. We've got the FeedBurner URL. Now what I can do is I can click here and ping the URLs. And you can see here we can click on the generated feed, which is the internal feed created from inside your site, and all those posts are there as well. Now we've got another couple of options here. We can download this here, which is an XML file. If you want to use it as an additional sitemap, you can do that. And you can click here to send it to Google Drive, which is a feature we're still tweaking a little bit right now. So what it will do is it will create a CSV, which it will import into Google spreadsheets, and you can make that public as well. There's going to be another couple of features that we add in here as well for sitemap pinging and things like that as well. So it's a pretty powerful little tool, and it's very quick and very easy to use, and it's a very unique way of mashing up your content with other people's content, doing multimedia RSS feeds, and being able to get your sites indexed pretty quickly and at the same time syndicated via RSS. Okay, thank you.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that demo. I hope you guys learned a lot, and if you guys need to, you guys could just rewind and play that demo again if you would like. Now let's just get into the actual details, what the prices are. So the front end is the actual base product. It's the plugin WordPress RSS Xtreme, and the price is going to range from $9.99 to $19.99. So for $9.99, you're pretty much going to just get that plugin for one site. Okay, you'll be using it for one site, and then it just increases in value. So for one site, you're going to be paying $10, and for $20, you'll be able to use this plugin for unlimited sites. Okay, you'll have a license to be using it for unlimited sites, WordPress sites, because it's a WordPress plugin. And for 10 site licenses, it's going to be a value in between, most likely around $14.99. And with that, what you're going to get is the actual product, which it lets you have super fast indexing. All right, so Google is going to find out about you much more quicker. All right, you'll be able to piggyback on authority sites. Right, you'll have the WordPress post and category RSS feeds. RSS syndication with FeedBurner and Google Docs. 1 minute campaign wizard, so it's going to give you some basic tutorial. Advanced SEO made simple, multiple RSS feed mashing, and automated indexing and pinging. Okay, so that's the front end, and like I said before, guys, you just need to purchase the front end. It doesn't matter which version. You could just buy the $10 one, $14.99, or $20 one. Doesn't matter which one. You'll get all the bonuses that I mentioned earlier. Okay. Now, upsell one, it's a public WordPress RSS SEO tool page, and you could get that for $20, right? And you'll pretty much be able to create a public tool page, an opt-in locker, offer unique free SEO tool, build your list on autopilot, bring traffic back to your site, force Google authorization, collect real email addresses, 1 minute setup, page template provided. So you're going to get templates provided for you, and it works. It has the same basic functionality as the front end, but you'll have that opportunity to actually build an email list while you have while you have your websites up. Okay. So this is very good if you want to build your email list, right? It's going to work in conjunction with the first front end offer, so it's going to be also ranked, it's going to be optimized, and you'll be getting a lot of email subscribers because your website is already ranked so high on Google. So for those of you that are new to email opt-ins and getting those subscribers, or you haven't even gotten subscribers at all, upsell one is something that you should definitely take a look at. Upsell 2, it's a PBN system, and for those of you who don't know, PBN is a private blog network, and how these work is you have a main website and then you have a PBN. So these PBNs are there to help rank your actual website. Okay, so they're going to be interconnected, and it's pretty much going to be ranking your main website, your main money-making website, much more uh, powerfully than if you didn't have any PBN systems. You don't need PBN systems, but these just work. It just really helps your main website out. It helps rank so much more quicker. But like I said, it's not necessary. But for those of you that would like to rank much more quickly and much more easily, this is something that you should definitely take a look at and invest some money in. Now, this has different price ranges depending on how many kinds of PBN systems you want, how many blog networks you want. For 20 sites, it's going to be a one-time cost of $47, and then a monthly cost of $21 per month. You could get 40 PBN sites. It's going to be a one-time cost of $67, and then it'll be $27 per month afterwards. And the last type you could get is 70 of these PBN systems that it's going to be a one-time cost of $97 and then $37 per month. So these are just different packages. So all these, so 20 sites, 40 sites, or 70 sites are all going to be working to keep your rank on Google. So they'll push your rank up and then have it stay there with all of these different authority sites. You'll be able to add domains in 1 minute. It doesn't matter which one you could do. The only difference between the packages is the amount of sites you'll be able to get. There's 3 types of sites to choose. Creates HTML blogs, social bookmark sites, video sharing sites. You could create group networks, and multiple site templates are going to be provided to you. And the last upsell is the upsell that's going to be costing the most. It ranges from $149 to $249, and it's a one-time fee. It's called Local Biz Alpha Plugin. Now, when you get to this upsell, there's going to be a short video that's going to show you exactly what it is. But basically, what it is depending on whatever niche you're in, it's going to make a main website. It's going to be pretty much done for you, so you don't have to do any of the other technical stuff that you'll be having to do with the front end or the other upsells. And it's going to have a list of other subcategories that lead to another website. So those other websites are like a sub website that's connected to that main done for you website, and it's going to help you rank very, very quickly. Okay. Honestly, if you rather do some of the work yourself and you don't want to spend this much, you don't need this for for a complete new person that's in this industry, and you want some of the work to be done for you and you have the investment, then this is something that you should definitely take a look at. Don't just buy it abruptly. When you get to this upsell, you're going to be provided with an actual video that shows you in detail what it actually is. And I don't want to show you all the videos for all of these upsells because then the video would be very long. You could watch them on your own time. Once you get to each one of these upsells, you'll be provided with um, a demo on how it works, and you'll have some more information to look through yourselves. Okay, but yeah, that's what this last upsell is, and once again, it's from $149 to $249. And guys, you could access this bonus page of mine through the first link in the description box below. Just click that. You'll be able to come to my actual bonus page right here, and you could reread all of this. You could access all the information, check out the bonuses that I have for you guys, and then you could click any one of these green buttons and it'll direct you to the actual sales page. So this is the sales page. All right, and it's going to have some videos here, more information for you over here, guys, and just some more information for you to check out once you guys get here. All you have to do is just check it out, and then you'll have the actual buy button right there. It's going to be on the bottom. Uh, like I said earlier, for the front end, there's 3 different types you could buy. So it's a 1 site license, which is going to be for $9.99. 10 sites, most likely it's going to be $14.99 or around the $15 price range. And this last one, which is unlimited site license, and you'll be able to buy that for $20. All right, guys, so that concludes this review. Thank you very much for checking out my review of WordPress RSS Xtreme. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.